Hi, very good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back to our channel Fortune Forex. So this is gold 1 hour candle chart. You can see it's a 1 hour time frame, and it's the 10th of June today, Tuesday. I'm shooting this video in London session, so you guys can see a kind of roller coaster ride in the gold prices in morning session of Asia. Gold made a low first from 3337 to almost 3300, and then there was a price, you can say a retracement. You can see a proper retracement from the downside, and then you can see a Fibonacci is at 16 and then made a high up to 35. So this was the price action happened today in just Asian session in the morning. From higher side it came down, take a support around 3304, 3305, and then bounce back up. Okay, so as a result of that, if you see this price action, first gold came down, take a support around here, and then bounce back. So what will be today's scenario? What will be the target point and stop loss for today, and what will be the trend analysis? We will cover it everything. Before going further, let me just let you know that today we have a US and China trade talk on table. Okay, so things are going continue. Yesterday as well, they had a conversation in London, but there's no conclusion as of now. So market is waiting for either for a upside breakout or a downside down. Okay, so we have to wait for the market proper scenario. Whenever this big news came, market always give a sideways movement, and if the sideways movement is not there, then you can see a big candle in a spike with a wicks on the upper and lower side, and then it will just settle in between. If you just zoom it out, so you will get to know that what I'm talking about, why I'm talking about this candle. If you see this particular candle, so this is an indecisive candle where market trend is not decided. If you see this particular candle, this is indecisive candle. Let me just zoom it for all of you. See, so whenever this kind of candle happen, this is a clear sign of, indecisive market can go anywhere. Or this is, you can say a second thing as a trend reversal as well. But trend reversal somehow, based on, a dodgy pattern. That is, this is just like not a dragonfly dodgy. This is a indecisive candle. Okay, so if you want to go ahead for any kind of candlestick knowledge and technical analysis courses, we have that as well. You can reach out to us on our Telegram channel, and WhatsApp number is also available in YouTube description box. So through that you can reach out to us. Okay, so now let's get back to the topic, guys. Okay, so if you see, gold is right now trading at 3328. I am expecting a kind of a reversal trade from here. That's why we have given. I am expecting just a sell from 3335 or maybe a 3341 will be a good area for all the sellers to take entry, because this is the point. Yesterday gold got rejected, and in the morning again it got rejected from the same price. So if we just remove all this drawing, yeah, so this is a point where we can expect sellers can take entry into the market, and then from there prices can fall down. Scenario one. But if you will see prices are going up with high volume and making a candles above 40, then we can expect the levels can go up to 3350 as well, because that was working as previous support, and now it will become the resistance. And if that price breach, if any particularly, you can say no output came in that meeting of US and China, then it might be possible that gold will shoot up again up to 3370 as well, because this is just on charts I am talking about. Okay, but if trade talk happens peacefully, and if they will US and China agree on certain terms that we will going to reduce the tariff, or if there is any kind of contract has been made, then it might be possible that gold will shoot up first and then crash down again and go back to retest today's low, that is 3302, that is 33000. Okay, second opportunity. Okay, this is just I'm talking about for the buying. Now if we talk about gold is came down first. Okay, and if it will going to retest the low side of 3303, if that particular level breach, let me just zoom it for you, all of you. If that particular breach, if that particular line breach, then we can expect the levels can go down up to 3386 zone as well, 3387. Why? Because this has been working as a previous support level that has been retested so many times. So it might be possible that gold will again going to retest this 3286 zone. And this week low was 3297, so definitely that can also be retested again. So if this support level breach 3306, then we can expect first to levels go up to 3395, and then 3385 to 80 price range will be easily visible on charts. So as a day trader, if you are planning any kind of sell, then you can plan your sell according to 3334 or 3330. And if you are planning for any kind of like buying, if you see any volume based candles here, if gold is not able to break this support level of 3302 or 3310, then we can expect a good buying volume again from here. But buy on dip and sell on rise will be the best strategy for all of you today. So take your risk appetite according to that. Let me just mention support and resistance level for every one of you. So support will be at 3302. That is for support. If that breach, oops, one second. Yes, if that breach, okay, if that breach, we can expect 3385. 3285 will be the second price zone. Resistance is at 3341. If that breach, then you can expect 3370 will be the new resistance area for everyone. Or let's say 3365. Okay, so trend is that on a sell side initially. Right now in the Asian market, tested two times, make a double bottom. So it might be possible that gold will going to retest that low again. And if that breach, we can expect a quick selling, and the prices can pull back down very fastly. So take your trade accordingly. Now let's get back to US oil. US oil has already breached the resistance which has been tested 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times, almost 8 times. So a strong resistance has been already break, and US oil is now in positive price zone. Any particular level came down like this around 63.90, 64 around, then it's a super buying zone. You can take a buy from here. Again, if you see any particular candle goes above 65.70 or 80, then you can go ahead for buying as well. So I will not suggest for any kind of like selling in crude oil prices as of now until the decision will not be made. So buying is already coming as because of the demands and supply zone. So that's why buying on dip in US oil will be the best strategy for all of you. Now, if we see BTC USD, okay, BTC USD has made almost 10,000 points movement in just a few days. In just 3 days, if you see, or maybe if you see 1,05,000 to 1,09,000, almost 4,000 points of rally made in just span of 25 to 27 hours. So this kind of a volume based trading you can see on a daily basis in BTC, and if you will see the price action, almost 10,000 points of movement has been made in BTC USD. So it's a clear cut buying, guys. If you want to go ahead for any particular kind of buying, then buy on dip will be the best strategy. Then the target will be 1,11,000 or 1,12,000 around. So that will be the best for you, all of you. Okay, till then, bye bye. See you guys. See you tomorrow on the same time. And you can please don't forget to like and subscribe the channel if you're coming for the first time. Okay, thank you.